Hello, Avon representatives. Hot off the press, I'm so excited to tell you about the Share the Love incentive. It is starting July 11th and going through August 6th. So I am super excited about it. I plan on marketing it all over to my face-to-face customers, to my online network, and then I want to help you be successful too. So I want to share the details of this amazing incentive. And first, I want to inspire you. So I know when I was going in leadership and was not making good money, it always helped hearing the stories and seeing the numbers of other leaders and seeing what is really possible with Avon. My business is very unique in that I've done a lot of the building online. So the results have compounded faster, but what it has done for me has taken my average leadership paycheck from last year at this time was about $2,500. This year through campaign 14, it's averaging almost $5,000 every 2 weeks. So if you want to be successful and really start bringing in some amazing money with Avon, I encourage you to build a team. Don't think about it as recruiting, just bringing friends into the business, having fun, and learning together. So with all of that, let's talk about the incentives. So your people can sign up to become a rep for just $10. That is only from July 11th through August 6th. And what they're going to get for that $10 is the Share the Love Starter Kit. That's a $71 value. It includes 2 Best of Beauty sampler packs, 10 lipstick bullets, 5 new samples, and 5 Skin So Soft samples, 10 brochures, and of course our beautiful website. All of that for $10. Can you believe it? I cannot. I don't know anywhere you can go to start a business for just $10. So here's where it gets even better. Avon's going to reward your new team member for being successful right from the beginning. So when they're successful in that first, second, and third campaign, they're going to earn even more sales tools, brochures, a really cute tote, and then, dun, 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 the premium starter kit. That's the most exciting of it all. I've heard so many reps that picked a different starter kit when they started, and they really wanted that premium starter kit. Who wouldn't? It's over $400 in value with 20 full-size products. So your team member will get that for free, and that is after meeting their sales goals in the first 3 campaigns. So what is also nice is Avon's gonna tell your representative exactly how to get started so they can get off to a great start, making good money and getting a fabulous discount on their Avon products. So let's take a look at where we can find more detailed information and some ideas of what we can do to share the love. So I am on the Your Avon website here, and I want to scroll down and show you that you can either get to it by clicking here or by seeing in the Success Center. So the Success Center is always going to have the latest and greatest information on incentives and events. So here you come in, you can download the incentive flyer, and you can download the guide so that you know all of the fine print and the details and you can get really excited about sharing this opportunity. So on your Avon website, I hope you have this little widget that tells people that they can sign up on your team. You also have a Sell Avon link where you can send people, and if they fill out the information and sign up, they'll be on your team. So you'll see here, my reference code is eSegrin, and it is embedded in that link. So that is your website. You can send people to this link. You can feature this widget. Let me show you where to do that in case you don't know. So I just clicked on to our web office, and we're gonna go edit my online store. And any of these pink writing tools, pencils, I guess I wanted to say, you can change the module there. So click on Become a Representative, choose this module, and then return back to your web office. Okay, so that's 2 ways you can show people how to sign up. The third way is to show people, to let them know to go to startavon.com, and that's where they're going to want to manually fill in your reference code. So you want to make sure if someone signs up that you get an email confirmation saying you have a successful self-appointment. And I want to show you the easiest way to recruit. You can go right into Avon Social. Click on the Content Planner. Scroll down to Recruiting, Recognition, and Communications. And I know that when this goes live, there's going to be special images in there for you to share on social media. So you can also click on these. You can post them directly to your social media, your Facebook page, or you can download them and post them yourself. So let me just do that as an example so you guys are off to a good start here. So I'm going to download that image. I'm going to come right over to my Facebook business page. Okay, and we're going to stress the point that they're getting an amazing value for just $10. So here I go. I'm going to upload that photo. Okay, let's see here. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to say from July 11th to August 6th. Start your Avon biz for just $10. Okay, and then we could come over to my website, and we can copy that link. So what I did was hover over here, right click, select copy link address. We come in here, we right click, and we select paste. Okay. I like to do a little smiley face or heart afterwards so that it actually shows the link. And then it's always great to add in some hashtags. And if you work full-time and you can't be posting on social media all the time, you can also schedule that. So let's see. post options, share, and you can schedule. So I'm just going to share it now. All right, cool. So it's as easy as that. Recruiting needs to be an everyday activity if you want to build a strong, successful team and business. Try to work it into your routine as you go out throughout the day and online. So some ideas that I'm going to do are doing a mailing with the flyer. I'm going to include the flyer in every customer bag. I did a video just for recruiting. Now I'm doing a video for my team to do it. I'm going to include it in a blog post, share it on social media. What else am I missing? I'll probably do a Facebook live feed. Hang on, guys. Where's my papers? Okay, here's my list. Okay, so recruiting side of it. Doing a video, uploading it to YouTube, blog post, email it, Facebook, social media, and print it out for my customers. As a leader, I am going to talk about it on our next leader call that we do through Zoom. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. I'll write a blog post about it for my team, give them the flyer and the guide and some recruiting tools to use. I'm going to email it to my team, post on social media, maybe text it out to my leaders, and then I'll share it in our chat. So I hope this gave you some great ideas about sharing the Avon love and really making the most of this month-long period where representatives can sign up for this incredible opportunity for only $10. I hope you guys enjoy recruiting and team building, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.